Thank you for joining me today. I'm Andy Dotson with the Lexus Eastern area, and I am thrilled to take you on a quick walk around of this stunning LC 500 convertible. It truly is going to be the most anticipated car of the summer. From a design standpoint, this LC convertible is truly LC. And what I mean by that is that the designers worked tirelessly to make sure that this stunning convertible has a similar profile and silhouette to this award-winning exterior of the LC 500 coupe. And that is exactly what the Lexus engineers have accomplished here. They were able to maintain the original strong body lines of this coupe and transcend it into the new design of this convertible. It is unmistakably a convertible, but at the same time, still truly an LC. Now, it wouldn't be a proper walk around if I didn't introduce you to the signature spindle grille. This is a definitive look that was shown on the LC 500 coupe, and the design condenses upwards towards the focal point, the emblem. Not only does this emblem represent the Lexus brand, but it also houses the radar sensor. In conjunction with the camera placed in the windshield, it operates the standard Lexus Safety System Plus. Four things that are included with Lexus Safety System Plus are the dynamic radar cruise control, which can be operated at all speeds, intelligent high beams, lane keep assist with lane centering ability, and pre-collision system with daytime pedestrian detection. So to wrap up a bit about the front, it's probably worth mentioning the ultra compact triple beam LED headlights with the integrated daytime running light. This is the standard headlight for all Lexus LC, coupe, and convertible. As we look to the side profile of this stunning LC convertible, you'll notice a few things, such as these 20-inch touring wheels. These are a 10-spoke staggered wheel setup, and it also is finished with a nice dark graphite color. You can also upgrade for a sportier look to the 21-inch forged alloy wheels that you see on this white coupe here. For stopping power, every Lexus LC, coupe, or convertible is going to have a 6-piston brake caliper up front, 4-piston brake caliper in the rear. When you see the back end of this car, the coolest feature, I believe, is this right here. This is a taillight that is meant to look like an optical illusion, that it has infinite depth. But this structure is actually only 3 inches deep, and it's finished in a chrome housing that gives it more of an exquisite touch. The Lexus engineers did an amazing job on maximizing cargo capacity while finding a sleek way to store the convertible top. With that being said, the LC convertible's trunk space can fit 2 golf bags. To open up the trunk, I simply press this well-integrated button in the right tail light to open this up, and there are my golf bags. To lock the doors of your convertible, you can simply hit the lock button on the key fob, or you can tap near the Lexus emblem so that the door handle will return to its flush position and the vehicle will be locked. With the key on you, there's 2 ways of entering the vehicle. One, I can simply unlock the car, and the door handle will protrude itself out of the door for me to open it. I can also simply go close to the car, press on the front of the flush door handle, and the back half sticks out, where I can now open it up and head on inside. As you sit in this plush and exquisite interior, it gives you a sense that it's warm and inviting, and that there's so much quality in this interior that it really only can be Lexus. This LC convertible, being the Halo coupe in our Lexus lineup, has the newest telematics system. What that means is that it includes a whole host of connected technologies meant to make your life more convenient. It's equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as Amazon Alexa integration, either in the vehicle or at home, where you can use an Amazon Alexa to say, "Hey Alexa, start up my Lexus." Furthermore, you have Lexus Enform Remote. Our Lexus app can be paired with your LC convertible to start and stop the engine from the comfort of your house. As well as you can lock and unlock the doors. You can track where your vehicle is located when it's parked. On top of that, you can also set guest driver or valet settings in the app. For those of you that like to listen to some of your favorite tunes with the top down, Lexus had you in mind. Mark Levinson worked early on with the Lexus engineers to find the best speaker placement for this interior. When the top is down, the soundstage is actually elevated higher up to the driver and passenger's ear level to have a better in-cabin experience. The cabin engineers wanted to make sure that they minimize clutter as much as possible. That's why they did an incredible job of hiding the convertible controls underneath this palm rest right here. I simply flick this switch up and there are my two switches. It's 15 seconds to open the top and 16 seconds to close. You can actually open and close the roof up to 31 miles an hour. With Lexus, your safety is always paramount. That is why with every LC500 convertible, you have a complimentary 3-year Safety Connect plan. Safety Connect includes the SOS button, automatic collision notification, stolen vehicle locator, and enhanced roadside assistance. Should you ever find yourself in an emergency, just know that Lexus has your back. Well, thank you for watching that video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. This is an amazing car and truly a first for Lexus. If you'd love to be a part of this amazing experience, please contact your local Lexus dealer. And if you have any questions on how to configure your LC convertible, ask about our ordering guide.